crystal range, which is the glass, and then our simplicity range, which is just plastic. So it comes in black, white, and like an off grey. This isn't the complete range, but obviously we do 1 to 4 gangs, the larger button design, dimmers. We don't do the only thing that we get asked. Obviously, we don't do grids. To then our touch range. So this, for example, is like the Fabaro works with Fabaro. So retractive systems, so retractive switches that once released will return, and that will then send a signal to like a Fabaro module. That's like a relay in another location. This is our touch range, which is obviously purely from touch. It will turn off and on. We are working on a new range, which is going to be released later this year, and we are moving on to Wi-Fi. So wireless, so Wi-Fi switches, communicating app-based, and working with our battery, our wire-free N-Ocean switches. So these are modular-based. So these basically transmit a wireless signal to either our nod-on relay or cozy relay, which unfortunately is not on this one at the moment. But this is kinetic. So what that means is that this switch, once pressed, will actually send a wireless signal and create enough energy to actually send that signal. So no batteries, no nothing. It's just that module. Once clicked, we'll send that signal. Like that. This can then, currently in this room setup, as you saw, like mood lighting and changing lights. That switch is actually set. I'll just show you. Grab it. So this switch is completely wireless. So it's off the wall. So for later on installation, so like bedside, there's no two-way intermediate anymore. You can have multiple. So there's a Hue hub that we've got tucked away, which then connects to the Hue lamps, which connects to the Hue application, and ours, where as soon as I press a button, as you can see there, it's then change the lighting, press and hold, and then that'll dim that up.
And just remind us again, there's no batteries.
There's no batteries.
There's no batteries.
So this is basically, so taking that out, that's framing, and then that's just a module that's inside. So once clicked, we'll send enough energy, enough juice to send that signal up and change it.
Wow.
And that's it. So that is our range.
Integrating switches, but with technology as well. And I think we're moving with the time, really.
It's just a simple solution where if someone has got a tricky situation or an install, they can't run cables, then you can literally, something that's wire-free, comes with a 3mm adhesive sticker anyway, comes with both 2 buttons and a single button in box, so you can just slap it on the wall and then it's there, and that's it. No wires, no back box. They can obviously be integrated with existing switches, so this faceplate actually comes off and exposes 2 screw points. So if you want to put it in an existing socket, you can. It then comes with a like a little junction box, like a Wago clip almost, where the existing wiring can be terminated, constant power, but then sends a signal to the